Just want to make a quick video for you Honda people out there. So I have a 2008 Honda Accord with the 2.4 liter four-cylinder, and this pertains to pretty much any of the four-cylinder cars out there, such as like the CR-V, the Honda Element, the Acura TSX, any of the 2.4 four-cylinders that have a problem with a hard start. The first symptom you're going to get is when you say you drive the vehicle for a while, you turn it off, maybe you run inside of a gas station, you come back out, you go to start your vehicle, and it cranks, and maybe it cranks for 20 seconds, then it finally starts, or maybe it cranks for a minute, and then it finally starts. But what it is, it's a hard to start situation. It's the fuel pump is not working correctly. What controls the fuel pump is called a main relay. The relay is located under the hood, whether it's a CR-V or a TSX or Honda Accord or an Element. And Honda has had this problem for many years. I mean, I owned Hondas back in the 90s, and I don't know, roughly every 100 to 200,000 miles, the main relay would go bad. The next symptom, after it's hard to start once the car is warmed up, eventually the car will die out while driving once it gets so bad. But anyways, so this main relay, I found a cheaper hack to the original Honda part number. To purchase the main relay, the cheapest I found was a Honda dealer or Acura dealer wanting $41 for this main relay. Some dealers wanted $45, $46 for them. But anyways, I was able to search the part number and the company that makes the relay, and I found a cheaper version for $25.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link below. But this is the same as like the TSX or the CR-V. It's very simple to replace it. You just come out, go under the hood, and in the Honda Accord, it's going to be this third one over, 2, 3. It's this one right here. And it's just a little tiny relay is what's making your car hard to start. So if you have this situation, all you gotta do is grab a pair of pliers, pull it out. I'll have the link to the new relay for $25.99 on Amazon, and you just replace that, and your car's going to start every time the way it's supposed to. Comment below. I've been more than glad to help you. But it's a very simple fix on any of these Hondas. Hopefully this helps you out if your vehicle has a hard time starting once it's been warmed up. And don't let a dealership tell you need to replace the fuel pump. I've never had to replace the fuel pump on any of my Hondas, and I've owned, I don't even know, 20 or 30 Hondas in my lifetime. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.